If you watch people in life, you'll see everybody has things that they go through, things that they didn't see coming, like a breakup, or they lose their job, or maybe they get a promotion, but then they have to move, to pick up and completely move someplace, and so everybody has things that happen to them and they're not prepared for, and some people handle things great. The big things, the small things, they just seem to be able to roll with it and take everything in stride, and kind of before long they're adjusted, and they look just like they looked before it happened. And they're kind of they're like rubber bands. They just, you stretch them and they snap back into place, and they don't stretch too far or too long. And then there's some people that struggle with even the little things, like they lose their phone, and for a couple of hours, and it ruins them for the day, or they get into an argument and they're talking about it, for several days later, and then the big stuff really is almost dismantling to them. They go through a hard time, and they could lose their job over it. And so there's something that the people that are able to kind of ride out the bumps, there's something that they understand about life, something inside of them that they have a grasp of, that the people that don't, that everything throws them, don't have a grasp of. And it doesn't have to do with the person's personality. It doesn't depend on how many bad things happen to them, or whether there's enough time in between things for them to recover. It has to do with this something inside of the person, and it's something that can be learned about, and it's something that people can get a grasp of, and that's so that they're not at the mercy of what happens to them in life. Anybody can get a grasp of it, and we've figured out how to tease that out and show people exactly what that is. And in our minds, it's really all people need, and that's what when we work with people, that's what we focus on.